Hi again, this is the third item or on the assessment 1 of measurement topic 2. It says calculate the values of the 6 trigonometric functions for the following values of data. Express your answers correct to 2 decimal places. Um, since we just want to get the values of the 6 trigonometric functions, so all we have to do is to get the corresponding value for each. So sine 30. So these are the 6 trigonometric functions: sine, cosine, tangent, the reciprocals, cosecant, secant, and cotangent. In letter A, the angle is 30 degrees, so we just have to get all the functions for 30 degrees. This is 30 degrees, 30 degrees, and 30 degrees. The fastest way to do this is by the use of the calculator. So we will be solving each value, but we know from from special triangles that sine 30 is equal to 1/2, so this is 0.5. Cosine 30 is square root of 3 over 2, so that's cosine 30 in decimal form, that's 0.87, 0.87. And then tangent 30 is equal to square root of 3 over 3, which is 0.58. To find the other three functions, cosecant is the reciprocal of sine. So if sine is 0.5, so cosecant is 1 over 0.5. 1 over 0.5 is equal to 2. That's the reciprocal of 1/2, so that's equal to 2. And then secant of 30 is the reciprocal of 0.87, so secant 1 over 1 divided by 0.87, we will get 1.15. This is 1.15. Cotangent of 30 is the reciprocal of 0.58, so that's 1 over 0.58. 1 over 0.58 is equal to 1.72. So just to make this clear, this is 1 over 0.87 and this is 1 over 0.58. So just to summarize, if you're given an angle and you want to find the 6 trigonometric functions, that means you're asked to find sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant, and cotangent. The best way to remember this, because sometimes there is a difficulty in remembering which one is the reciprocal of sine, which one is the reciprocal of cosine. I usually take note of this S. So sine is S, cosecant is C. So S is paired to a C. As you look at cosine is paired to secant, C is paired to S. So don't pair an S and another S. That's just one way to remember it. Okay, but the idea again is just put in the angle, then just find sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant, cotangent, and so on. Okay, so we can continue with B. So in a similar manner, all you have to do is to find sine 180, cosine of 180, tangent of 180, then you find the cosecant of 180, the secant of 180, and the cotangent of 180. Again, so you can use your calculator, you can use a special method that we had in class, but you can directly get this. Sine 180 is 0, cosecant or cosine rather, cosine of 180 is equal to -1, and then tangent of 180 is equal to 0. So cosecant of 180 is the reciprocal of 0, 1 over 0, but 1 over 0 is undefined. In your calculator, it will show math error. Secant of 180 is the reciprocal of cosine, 1 over -1, which is -1. Tangent 180 is equal to 0. So 1 over 0 is the cotangent, so this is also undefined. Okay, so if you want the longer way, we can discuss it in class. But for now, since we want to find the most or the fastest way in doing this, and you're allowed to use a calculator, so just plug in the values and then find the 6 trigonometric functions. So the key here is you have to understand what is being asked in the problem, and you should know what kind of procedures should you should perform in getting the answers. That's it.